Hi everyone, welcome to Memorial Park. My name is Tim McAndrew and I am the district math coach, K4, which means I go to all three elementary schools. And my job is to support teachers and oversee the math curriculum. If you see me looking down, I'm just looking at my cheat sheet. We are very excited to meet your children and get them started on what will definitely be a very exciting, awesome learning adventure. Just like all of the districts in Massachusetts, we here in Rockland follow the Massachusetts standards, and that includes mathematics. These standards are specific benchmarks that we help all students reach by the end of the year. The major topics that kindergartners learn include counting, of course, and comparing numbers, an introduction to adding and subtracting, and only beginning to use numbers to add and subtract between 0 and 10 with some more fluency within 5. And then as they, of course, for second grade, they increase their fluency to higher numbers. And also be learning about 2- and 3-dimensional objects. And it's kindergarten, so in terms of counting, it'll be a lot of counting of objects and pictures. Next year, we will be in our second year of implementing our new math program, which is called Bridges in Mathematics. Our math committee chose Bridges as the best of several programs that they reviewed, and it is made up of 3 parts, which you can see on the slide there. The first part, which you will be able to see in the teachers' classrooms, is a large bulletin board, and it is something that teachers do for about 15-20 minutes a day, and these are teacher-led activities that include things like learning the calendar, counting, predicting patterns. It's a really great way for students to both preview what's coming up and also practice and review what they've learned. There, of course, are just regular math lessons, whole group, partner work, and what's very engaging and exciting is that there are also what's called workplaces. And these are activities, games that kids usually play with a partner and really enjoy. So I know I'm over my time here, so just quickly, ways to get ready for kindergarten. Number one thing is just to count things. Count fingers. Count the number of tractor-trailer trucks that you go by on your way to school or preschool or wherever you happen to be going. Count number of stairs as you're walking up them. Anything that is an object or something that they can do or pictures. And then ask them, oh, well, how many steps were there? There were 10 steps. And then you will be receiving later this year some pattern blocks. You can see examples of it on the slide. And I will provide you an entire menu of ideas that you can do with your child. Very nice to meet you. We look forward to working with you and your kids, and have a great night. Thanks.